Social services provide care and support to many in Wales, including some of the most vulnerable people in our communities. It is important to us all that these services are provided to the appropriate standard by people who are properly qualified, regulated, and have access to the right training. The Regulation and Inspection of Social Care Wales Bill was recently introduced by the Welsh Government. The bill, which is a draft law, seeks to revise and simplify the legal framework for the regulation and inspection of social care services here in Wales. In July, Assembly members will be asked to decide whether the bill should pass the first hurdle on its way to becoming law. To help members make their minds up on that question, over the next few months, the Health and Social Care Committee will be taking evidence to help us consider the purposes and intentions of this bill, and whether this legislation is the right way to achieve them. We are planning to take oral evidence from key organisations and stakeholders in the coming months, and we have written to organisations like local authorities, local health boards, and the social care providers themselves to ask them to tell us what they think about the bill. We also want to hear from people across Wales. We would like to know what you think about the way the social care services and social care workers are regulated in Wales, and whether you think that this bill is the right way to improve things. More information is available on our website or on our Twitter feed @SenethHealth, where you can find details about the bill, how you can tell us what you think, and how you can keep up to date with the bill as it passes through the Assembly.